Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria and today I'll be drawing a cute fairy. We'll need like a black marker or a pencil, and then you can use either markers, pencils, or I'll be using crayons today. And let's start. So I'm gonna draw a pretty big circle right here. That's good. And that's going to be the head for our fairy. And from here, I'm going to bring like a curved line here. And then I'm going to do similar thing on the other side, like this. Now here, I'm going to add like another circle. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. That's great. Now let's add the eyes. So I'm going to draw two pretty big circles, so that's one, and then let's draw another one here. Make sure that they're similar in size. Now inside I'm going to do lines like this. Now this part I'm going to color black, but I'm going to leave like another wide circle inside. Okay. Beautiful. You can add eyelashes if you want. That's good. You can add like a nose. You can add a big smile. That's good. And the head is done. Now it's time to draw the body. So I would say right under the eyes, we're gonna bring a line down a little bit on an angle. Like this. Now the same thing on this side. Beautiful. Like this is good. Now let's connect those two. I'm gonna make it. That's good. Beautiful. Now let's add the skirt. Alright? And or it can be a dress, you can do any design you want. So in my case, it's going to be a skirt, and I'm going to do it like this. So I'm adding like a curved line, and now I'm going to connect those two together. Very nice. Beautiful. Now it's time to add the legs, and we're going to do them. I'm going to add like one, and then two. Beautiful. You can even add like this for the design of the shoes. Now it's time to finish with the body. How I'm gonna do it, then from here I'm gonna draw a line like this, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. That's good. And we can even add like a magic wand or something. And you can do like a circle or a heart here. I think I'm gonna add like a star. That's good. And since I have like a fairy, I want to add the wings. And how I'm gonna add the wings. So from about, I would say here, I'm gonna bring a line up, and then I'm gonna connect like this. Here we go. And that's very easy. That's gonna be the wing. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Here you go. Maybe a little bit higher here, and then I'm gonna bring it down like this. That's good. Now I want to add a little bit of design here, and you can add maybe dots or hearts or anything you want, and that's going to be pretty. From there, since I want my fairy to be a princess fairy, I want to add like a crown. So here I'm gonna add a crown. That's good. You can even decorate the crown. And later on you can think of any design you want. And that's good. So now we can put the marker aside and let's color it. So I'm gonna start with the cheeks. So I'm gonna add like a nice pink color here. That's cute. Now I'm gonna grab like a kind of pale orange tone and color the face. Now I'm gonna use a nice pink color for the hair. It's like a light pink, but you can pick your own. Maybe it's yellow, maybe you want to use brown, or any other color you want. Since it's a fairy, she can have any hair color she wants, right? Good. It's time to add a little bit of like details. Now let's pick a color for the dress, and you can use any color. If your favorite color is purple, then use purple. If it's pink, maybe yellow, orange, green, any color you want. I'm gonna use pink here. Now I'm gonna grab a nice yellow color and color the crown. And also a little bit of part of the skirt. Good. And maybe why don't we color the star here as well. Now I'm gonna use like super bright pink here, but again you can use any color you want. I'm gonna use it for the dress. Good. Now I'm gonna color the heart. Now you can think of what color you want the wings to be. Maybe it's again purple, maybe it's more like golden tone, so you can use yellow, or I'll be using like a light blue. Perfect. Now it's time to add like a little bit of design for the skirt if you want. So I'm gonna add like small circles here. That's good. And I will have my marker here. What else we can do is I'm gonna draw a few more stars here. If you have stickers like stars, you can use those. And you can draw as many stars as you want. I think I'm gonna do a few more. And now we can do like this. I'm gonna grab a dark purple again. Look, not dark purple, sorry, dark pink. Maybe I shouldn't say dark. It's more like bright. There you go, that's great. Now we'll have this pink. I can even use it for the crown decoration. There you go. Now I'm gonna grab yellow and color all those stars. Now I can use pink, like blue. And one final touch, we can use a darker blue and maybe add a little bit of a decor for the wings. So I'm adding that. So I'm bringing a line right in the middle and then adding like this. Perfect, and our fairy is almost ready. If you want one final thing, we can color the shoes. And again, just to match, we can use the same pink that we're using for the skirt. That's good. And now finally my fairy is done. Guys, thank you so much for doing this project with me. I am very excited, and please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. Thank you guys.